Meron talagang pamamaraan ng pagkain through which you will be able to maintain good health. And itong pamamaraan na ito, yung tinatawag kong low carb Mediterranean fusion fasting. LCMF, yun po yung way ng aking pagkain and yun po talaga yung way of eating naming mag-anak since noon pa man. Ang low carb naman po is a very wide umbrella term. Pwede tayong maging strict na low carb, pwede tayong sa go section lamang kumain, pwede tayong maging carnivore, pwede tayong maging paleo, na uri ng low carb, pwede tayong maging keto. It's a wide umbrella term. For me, what I find that works very well, especially sa mga pasyente ko rin po na nagkakaroon ng issue sa pagtaas ng cholesterol kasi karamihan po ng mga nagrereklamo sa low carb is yung pagtaas po ng LDL and one of the ways na ito po ay ma-prevent, lalo na doon sa mga tumaas na nga yung LDL, mataas pa yung ApoB, mataas pa yung lipoprotein little a, or mataas pa yung LDLP. Ang solusyon po dyan mga kapatid is to do yung low carb Mediterranean. Ito yung combination between low carb. So gamit yung ating food guide. Low carb po siya. Kung wala pa kayong food guide, paki-download lamang po. So that is the low carb part. What is the Mediterranean part? Ito na po yung more on fruits. Now obviously low carb pa rin. More on fish. It's mainly fish yung kanyang protein po. You can still have yung usual eggs mo, the occasional meat, but it's mainly talaga seafood po, right? So that's the component of the low carb Mediterranean. Kung kayo po ay nasa maintenance phase na or talagang namomroblema kayo sa pagtaas ng LDL nyo, you can start adding complex na uri ng carbohydrates like for example lentils, for example beans. Part po yan ng usual Mediterranean diet. Again, doon sa mga nagsisimula pa lang at medyo kailangan talagang magpagaling muna sa sakit, maybe in the beginning you can avoid it muna, but in the maintenance phase you can certainly have that. You can have yung inyong beans na po and lentils. Some people can have yung for example quinoa. So again, para sa mga beginners po, ito ay medyo a little bit more advanced. Kung ang goal po ninyo ay gumaling muna, then perhaps do 3 months munang immersion dun sa strict low carb before you jump into yung Mediterranean fusion po. The Mediterranean fusion is more, I would say, maintenance phase na po. Once na maabot na ninyo ang inyong weight goals, maabot na ninyo ang inyong illness reversal po, for example, diabetes, high blood pressure, kung anong nire-revert ninyo, then that's the time that you can do yung itong fusion po. Okay, the beauty of doing the fusion is it's very sustainable. After a while, napapansin ito ng karamihan na mga naglo-low carb, After a while, nahihirapan yung karamihan na mag-maintain. And so, ang kagandahan, once na mag-shift kayo from very strict low carb to low carb Mediterranean fasting fusion, is mas madali po siyang i-maintain, mas madali siyang i-sustain, talagang kaya siya for life.